Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your humble girl, igboticnono. Yeah, it's about 3 weeks or 4 weeks I went off the channel, guys. I'm so sorry. This is because I had 1 or 2 things I was doing and I had to fix them first. I don't want to say I was not feeling fine. People like to say they were not feeling fine. I am good, I am strong and healthy. Yes, so I am back now, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys in Igbo language as well. Don't mind if I'm looking down at my book, because this is kind of a lesson. I always make my notes because I don't want to give you guys teas that are not teas. Do you understand? So in this video we're going to be talking about questions. Questions. We're going to be talking about questions words. That's oku ajuju in Igbo. I ga call maka oku ajuju in Igbo. Question words in Igbo. Oku ajuju na Igbo. Look at my, just see guys, make sure you watch my lips to see the rhythm of the lips. That will also help you to pronounce this word as I'm pronouncing this. Questions word. Ajuju oku. Questions word in Igbo. Ajuju oku na Igbo. So ajuju oku na Igbo. Ndị abu. These are who. You know? Who putara onye. Who putara onye. Example of the sentence you can use for this. Onye di ihe ahụ. Onye di ihe ahụ. Who is that? Onye di ihe ahụ. Who is that? You can also say, example of who again. You can also say, who is calling? Onye na-akpọ. Who is calling? Onye na-akpọ. Who is calling? Onye na-akpọ. So who is onye? Who? Onye? Yes. Practice it. Another one here is what. What is ogene? Ogene. What is it? Ogene be ham. What is it? Ogene be ham. Somebody knocks on your door, you open the door and you say, and you're not happy with the person especially. You say, what? Ogene be ham. What? Ogene be ham. And the next one here is which. Which is KEDU. Which is KEDU. KEDU neme. KEDU neme. Which is KEDU. Which one is this? You went to the market to buy something and there are so many ideas on the table. You're like, and you're not familiar with them. You say, KEDU ha. Which one is this? KEDU ha. Which one is this? Another one here is where. Where no people. Where no people putara ebe. Where no people putara ebe. Where are you going? Ebe ka inaga. Where are you going? Ebe ka inaga. Where are you living? Ebe ka ibi. Where are you living? Ebe ka ibi. That's just it. Another one here is how. KEDU. This is very popular. So how? KEDU. How are you doing? KEDU ka imere. How are you doing? KEDU ka imere. How are they doing? KEDU ka ha mere. How are they doing? KEDU ka ha mere. Another one here is how many? Ole. How many? Ole. You went to market to buy stuff and they're giving you just, you're like, how many? How many did you put in there? Ole ka itinyere na ebe ahụ. How many did you put in there? Ole ka itinyere ebe ahụ. Ole is how many? Ole is how many? Ego ole is how much? You also need to learn this one because this question words, ajuju oku, is popular and what you use on a daily basis. So you just have to learn them. Ego ole, how much? How much is this? You went to market to buy something. You went to supermarket to buy something. You're like, how much is this? Ego ole, how much is this? Ego ole. When? When? Ole mgbe. When? Ole mgbe. When did it happen? Ole mgbe o mere. When did it happen? Ole mgbe o mere. You know, this topic is for gossip people. When they come and say, when did it happen? Ole mgbe o mere. Are you serious? Tell me something. When did it happen? Just. When did it happen? Ole mgbe o mere. When did it happen? Ole mgbe o mere. Yes. So another one here is, can you? Can you? Inwere ike. Can you? Inwere ike. Can you help me with this? Inwere ike. Inyere m aka. Name ha. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Inwere ike. Inyere m aka. Can you help me? Inwere ike. Inyere m aka. Yes. Another one here is, why? Why? Maka gini? Somebody made you angry. You're like, why did you do that? Maka gini kichimeya? Why? Maka gini? Why? Maka gini? Maka gini? Why? Maka gini? So why is maka gini? Maka gini is why. And the other one is who? Whose? Nkonye. Whose own is that? Nkonye bunkao. Whose? Nkonye. Whose own? Nkonye. Whose? Nkonye. So guys, this is basically it for today. These are the questions. What? Questions. What? Questions. What? AJUJU oku. AJUJU oku in Igbo. Questions. What in Igbo? Guys, I always told you guys to save these things on your watch letter and go back to them and watch them consistently for you to improve in this language. I also have a language I am learning, and I always refer back to the places I said this to practice them from. Sorry, my son is hitting the staircase. To practice them often. You get. So these are the question words, AJUJU oku na Igbo, that you need every day of your life. So long you want to communicate with an Igbo person, you must say one of these. So please guys, try to learn it and try to follow my pronunciation. Imitate me as well, so that you will be able to give this word. You can learn it day after day. It mustn't be perfect, you know, but practice and consistency and discipline will go a long way for you. Igbo queen zono ngwano no komesia ngafunu mbosozo. Bye bye.